欢迎收看 My Daily Vlog.
Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to herd sheep. Today I'm at home, so we have stewed beef as our lunch. This little sheepy was born last night, but it can walk today, so that's amazing, right? My mother gave grass to those ewes because they need feed milk for their little sheepy. Here's another little sheepy, how cute it is. My little nephew just muttered something. I don't know what he talks about. Just listen. When it comes to 7 to 8 p.m., so we need to herd the sheep to our home, just like this. After that, I made fried dough twist because I wanted to eat it.